Hello children. Today we will do page number 45 of your English 2 book. Not only page number 45, 45, 46, 47 and 48, 49 and 50. All these work you do in your book only. No need to do in copy. Okay. So this page number 45, exercise B. Look at the pictures and write the words that form the compound words. That you can write the this is what is this in page number 44, and in my last class we have discussed about the compound word. Compound means after joining 2-3 words we get a word that is known as compound word. So first one, you can see the picture of basket plus ball. Basketball. You have to write one basket plus उसके नीचे बॉल के नीचे बॉल, दोनों वर्ड मिला के what will be the answer? Basketball. Second, fish plus pot. Fish pot. Third, basket 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 plus ball BALL ball. Answer basketball. एक साथ लिख करो. Second, fish spelling FISH fish plus pot POT pot. Answer fish pot FISH fish pot POT pot. Third, fire 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 plus man 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 fireman. Fourth, tree plus house tree house. Tree plus house equal tree house. ओके, ट्री है पहला, तो ट्री है और सेकेंड हाउस का पिक्चर है और दैट विल बी ट्री हाउस. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 46, that you can write in book that you have to find out many compound words. Like one example I can give: houseboat, housework, or so many words you can, firewood or open sky, housefly you can write, or backache you can write, pour down you can write, open sky I think I have to check it whether it will be open sky or not. Or your handbook you can write, or you can write backyard, paperweight, weightless. Many words you can write. Okay. So what you have to write, I told only a few words. You will get many words from these words. आपको ये जो पेज नंबर 46 एक्सरसाइज सी दिख रहा है, उसमें से आप कितना वर्ड बना सकते हो उतना वर्ड आपको बनाना है. ठीक है. सो पेज नंबर 45, I think first one this basketball, second fish pot, third fireman, fourth tree house. That also I have a little bit doubt that I will now I am giving the answer tree house. Now I will check it and I will tell you what is the word. Okay, correct. If it is not correct, I will give you in my next class the answer. Okay. So in this also so many words you will get, but only a few examples I gave, like housefly, workplace, backache, or handbook, backyard, weightless, paperweight. All these words I gave. Okay. So houseboat you can write, house is here, boat is there, but still you can write, okay, houseboat is there only. So many words you will get, you just try. Okay. Now next, in this exercise we were explaining. Okay, this exercise I am telling houseboat, housework, work place, or backache, handbook. slow pitch, or which was weightless. Okay, all these words you can write. Okay, now next page number 47. Communication. He looked around but couldn't see anything except for some small trees. The highlighted word is a short form of could not. You can see couldn't. couldn't कैसे लिखा है? couldn't मतलब नहीं हो पाया. couldn't का could not का short form है couldn't. Don't let us down now, Gulliver. We need your help. The highlighted word is short form of do not. Do not का short form है don't. ऐसे बहुत सारे words को short form होता है. This couldn't, don't, all are the short form of could not and do not. And we often contract or shorten words, especially when we speak. We do not contract words so much in writing. When we write, we do not contract words, but when we say something, we contract or shorten words, like do not, couldn't, I couldn't. We do not say I could not. Normally we say couldn't, I couldn't go to school. ऐसे ठीक है. We may say he is instead of he is. We usually use an apostrophe in place of the missing letter or letters in writing. जब हम short form लिखेंगे we use apostrophe. apostrophe है जो आपका बुक में जो दिखाई दे रहा होगा apostrophe, वो डालना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तभी हम short form में लिखने से पहले हमें वो apostrophe डालना पड़ता है. एग्जाम्पल देखो. who is talking, who's talking, they are coming. ठीक है. So match the following. exercise 47, page number 47 exercise. मैच द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स विद देयर शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स बाय ड्राइंग लाइन्स. लाइन्स खींच के आपको मैचिंग करना है. आई एम, वन लिखा है आई एम. आई एम का शॉर्ट फॉर्म कहाँ है इसमें? आई एम. वन ड्रो लाइन खींचो आई तक, आई एम. सेकेंड आई विल, टू, आई विल. टू आंसर इज ई, टू ई. थ्री डू नॉट, थ्री आंसर इज don't. 3D. 4 is not. 4 answer A, isn't. Fifth answer she will. Fifth answer is F. Sixth let us answer. 6 का answer H. 7 should not का answer, should not short form है C, shouldn't. 8 couldn't का आंसर है जे, couldn't. we will, 9 का आंसर है बी, we will. 10 I have का आंसर है जी. one more time I will say what you have to do in this exercise. you have to draw lines. आपको lines draw करके आपको match the following words को matching करना है. I am 1, I 2, E 3, D 4, A 5, F 6, H 7, C 8, J 9, B 10, G. Okay, this is only matching. What we have done in this, one more time I will explain all these exercises. First, in this page number 45, what we did, we just wrote the words that form the compound words. Okay, and in second exercise I didn't give you answers. I told you to get maximum compound words from the table. Okay, this exercise page number 47 that you have to do, that what is full page, what is explaining some words like could not, should not, I am, she is, he is. We write when we speak. Normally we use contract or shorten words. That is this exercise. Okay, short forms. What is the short form of I am? What is the short form of I will? In exam, how these questions will come? I will ask question, what is the short form of I am? Then I will give some options. I will give isn't or I apostrophe am, couldn't. Then you have to write I am का आंसर है I apostrophe am. ठीक है, तो आपको समझना है कौन सा क्या शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. You have to understand which word is the short form of which word. Okay, Now next page number, all these exercise again and again I am telling you, you have to just understand the things and do in book. Okay, next page number 48, grammar. Verb, the full page what it has given, I will make you understand very easily. What verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being, a physical action, mental action, state of being. और जैसे कि जो हम कुछ करता है वो वर्ब है, जो हमारा एक्शन, जो हमारा जो स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, हम किस कंडीशन में है, जो हमारा फीलिंग क्या है, हम क्या, हमारा एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, ये सब वर्ब है. ठीक है, तो एग्जाम्पल दिया, ये वर्ब सुन के आपको समझना चाहिए, ये वर्ड आपको मन में आना चाहिए, एक्शन. When we hear the word verb, you need to remember that is an action. Like walk, walk is a verb, walk चलना, run भागना एक वर्ब है, एक एक्शन है. play, sleep सोना, play खेलना, read पढ़ना, write लिखना, jump जो कूदना, राइड मतलब साइकिल चलाना, टॉक बोलना, ये सब वर्ब है. ठीक है, तो ऑलरेडी इट्स 11:24 minutes. ओके, सो वन मोर exercise, only this exercise, page number 49, exercise A we will do in book. सर्कल द वर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. सेंटेंसेस में जो वर्ब को सर्कल करो, जो एक्शन वर्ड को सर्कल करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्क्यूरल्स ईट नट्स. गिलहरी नट्स खाता है, उसमें वो क्या एक्शन करता है स्क्यूरल्स, गिलहरी क्या एक्शन करता है, ईट खाना खाता है, नट्स को खाता है, तो ईट को सर्कल करो, ईट उसमें वर्ब है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, द बोट फ्लोट्स ऑन द वाटर. जो बोट है वो वाटर में फ्लोट मतलब जो पानी के ऊपर जो रुकने के लिए फ्लोट कहता है. ठीक है, तो आंसर इसमें है फ्लोट को सर्कल करो. थर्ड, आई वॉश माई हैंड्स एवरी डे. मैं डेली मेरा हाथ को धोता हूँ. इसमें क्या एक्शन हो गया, एवरी डे कोई एक्शन नहीं है, हैंड कोई एक्शन नहीं है, तो इसमें हो गया वॉश, धो रहा है, वो धोता है, तो वॉश को सर्कल करो. ही राइट्स वंडरफुल स्टोरीज. वो बहुत बढ़िया स्टोरीज लिखता है, जो एक्शन हो गया राइट लिखना, तो राइट्स के अंदर सर्कल करो. इन द मॉर्निंग मोस्ट पीपल रीड द न्यूज़पेपर. मॉर्निंग में बहुत सारे लोग न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता है, इसमें एक्शन हो गया रीड को सर्कल करो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ईट सर्कल, सेकेंड फ्लोट सर्कल, थर्ड वॉश सर्कल, राइट्स सर्कल, फिफ्थ रीड सर्कल. Okay, I am telling you to do all this work in book only because exam is coming closer. You have to learn also. So I don't want to waste your time now. So you do all this exercise in your book only. Okay. So this is for the day. Thank you.